So in the previous video, we have just completed the exercise 7C question number 1, 2, 3 and 4. Yes. And we are just reached to the exercise 7C question number 5. Okay. So exercise 7C question number 5. In that you have to just identify and place the following numbers into three groups that are less than 1 by 4, between 1 by 4 and 3 by 4, and more than 3 by 4. Okay, we have to just do this into three parts. That is, first, that is 1 by 4, another is between 1 by 4 and 3 by 4, between 1 by 4 and 3 by 4, and at last more than 3 by 4. More than 3 by 4, less than 1 by 4, less than. So here, first of all, what is 1 by 4? 1 by 4. If I divide 4 by 1, okay. So first of all, what I have to do, I have to put a 0 and a point. That is, so here it will become 10. So 4 2s are 8. Then it will remain, that is 2. Then if I put a 0 over here, 4 5s are 20. 0 0. So 1 by 4 means 0.25, less than 0.25. So here between 0.25 and 3 by 4. So I divide 4 by 3. So 4, first of all we have to put a point, so it will become 30. 4 4 is 16, 4 5 is 20, 4 6 is 24, 4 8 is 32, 4 7 is 28, and here it will remain 2. So putting a 0, 4 5 is 20, so here it is 0 0. Okay, so between 0.25 to between 0.75, and here more than 0.75. Okay, so now we can easily just identify that which one is greater and which one is smaller and which one is between these two. Okay, so here taking A, that is 0.4, A, that is 0.4. So you can see 0.4 is where, and just draw a line so you can't just get confused. So 0.4, A is 0.4, so it is between this and this. So the first here it will be 0.4. Okay, another one, that is 0.76. 0.76 means it is more than this, so it will come over here. Okay, so here I will write that is 0.76. Then it comes 0.204. 204, so it is less than this, so I will write this, that is 0.204. Another one, fourth one, that is 0.096. 0.0, so it is less than this, so I will write over here only 0.096. Okay, another one, that is E, that is 0.80. 0.8, so it is more than this because here it is 0.7, so it will come over here, that is 0.80. 0.80. Another, next that is 0.376. 0.3 means here it will come 0.376. 0.376. Okay. G, that is 0.149. 0.419. So we will write over here, so it is less than this, so 0.149. Okay. Then coming 0.0864. So it will be over here on 0.0864. Okay. Then coming 0.66. So it will be between this 0.66, that is between 2 and 7, that is coming over here, that is 0.66. Okay. Then coming towards 0.987. So it is more than 0.75, so it will be over here, that is 0.987. Okay, 0.987. And then coming towards 0.025. 0.025, so it is less than this, so it will come over here, that is 0.025. And the last one 0.578, so it is between this, that is 0.578. So please note down this, students. Okay, have you written, students? Now moving towards our new topic, that is addition and subtraction of decimals. Here we have completed the exercise 7C. Okay, and a new topic, that is addition and subtraction of decimals. Addition and subtraction of decimals. Okay, addition and subtraction of decimals. Now, see here there is an example number 16. That is add 6.8 plus 2.13. Example number 16, that is add 6.8 plus 2.13. So we have to add this both. So how we will add this? So here it is 2.13 plus 6.8, and if here is nothing, then we can just add a 0 over here. So here 3 plus 0, that is 3, 8 plus 1, that is 9, and the decimal will remain here, and 6 plus 2, that is 8. So our answer is this, that is 8.93 is our answer. And moving towards example number 17. Example number 17, that is add 7.911 plus 4 plus 3.7. 4 plus 3.7. So we have to add this 3. So first of all, writing 7.911 plus 4 is there, nothing, point is there. So what we will do, 4.000, and again plus, that is 3.7, again 0, 0. Okay. Now we have to add this 1 plus 0 1 0 1 plus 0 1, so here will be 1, here also 1. 9 plus 7, that is 16, here 6 and here 1 on a decimal point over here. Okay, after the 3 digit. Then 7 plus 1 8, 8 plus 4 12, 12 plus 3 15. Okay, so this is our answer of example number 17. Okay, next one, that is example number 18. In that we have to subtract. Example number 18. In that we have to subtract. Example number 18. That is 48.63. 48.63 minus 48.63 minus 29.12. 29.12. So let us solve it. So first of all, 48.63 subtracted from 29.12. So let us do this. So first of all, we know the simple subtraction, that is 3 minus 2 1, 6 minus 1 5, and here a decimal point. Okay, 8 minus 9, it will not happen, so we will borrow from here, that is 18. 9 2s are 18, so 18 minus 9, that is 9. 3 minus 2, that is 1, so our answer is 19.5. Okay, our answer is 19.5. Moving towards example number 19. In that both subtraction and addition is given. Example number 19. In that you can see addition and subtraction both are given. In that 18.3 plus 18.3 plus, it is given, that is 4.781. 4.781 subtracted by 10.202. 10.202. Okay, 10.202. Now, first of all, we have to add this, and then after the answer that we get from the addition, we will subtract from this. Okay, we know the DOMAS method. Okay, first of all, you have to multiply, then after divide, then after add, then after subtract. So first of all, we have to add this both. So adding this both, 8.3 plus, sorry, 18.3 plus 4.781. So here nothing is there, so I can write 0 over here. Yes, I can write that. So here 0 plus 1, that is 1. 8 plus 0, that is 8. 7 plus 3, that is 10. So 1 will come here, and here a decimal point, that is 8 plus 1 9. 9 plus 4 13. And here 1 plus 1 2. So here we get 23.081. The addition of this both that we get, that is 23.081. Now the answer that we get from this, the addition of this, we have to subtract from this. So doing that, 23.081 minus 10.202. Okay, 10.202. Now we have to subtract this. Here 1 minus 2 will not happen, so we will borrow. Here will be 7, here will be 11. 11 minus 2, that is 9, and 7 minus 0, that is 7, and 0 minus 2 will not happen, so we will take borrow. So 2, 10, here it is 8, and then after a decimal point, 2 minus 0, that is 2, 2 minus 1, that is 1. Okay, so this is our answer. First of all, we have to add this both, and then after the answer that you get by the adding this two both, these two, you have to subtract from this. Okay, please note down this if you want. And moving towards example number 20. example number 20. That is, subtract 17 minus 15.565. 565. Okay, so here we have to just subtract. So 17 minus 15.565. So here we should have to put a point and 0, 0 and 0. Okay. Yes. Now doing that, first of all we have to borrow this. So by borrowing, here will be 6, here will be 9, here will also be 9, and here it will be 10. So 10 minus 5, that is 5. 9 minus 6, that is 3. 9 minus 5, that is 4. And here a decimal point. 6 minus 5, that is 1. 1 minus 1, that is 0. Okay. So this is our answer. Okay. 21. Example number 21. And here 24 minus 27.047 plus 5.26. 5.26, yes, 5.26. So first of all, what we have to do is this kind of thing. First of all, we have to arrange this. How we will arrange? This plus we will take in forward and this minus will go back like this. So 24 plus 5.26 and this will go back. That is minus 27.047. Okay. So first of all, we know how we have to do. We have to do this plus. So doing that, we have to first of all add this. So by adding, we get that is 24 plus 5.26. Here I can write this. Yes. Then 0 plus 6, that is 6. 0 plus 2, that is 2. 5 here decimal, and 5 plus 4, that is 9, and 2 remains as it is. Now we have get this answer, that is 29.26. Now we have to subtract 27.047 from 29.26. Okay, so 29.26 minus 27.047. So here there is no, so I can write here 0. Yes. Now calculating this from here, 0 minus 7 will not happen. So we will borrow this. So here it will be 5 and here it will be 10. So 10 minus 7, that is 3. 5 minus 4, that is 1. 2 minus 0, that is 2. And here a decimal point. See here, you have to take care that you put a decimal point at a proper place. If you will just put a decimal point in any of the other place, then your marks can be cutted. So 9 minus 7, that is 2, and 2 minus 2, that is 0. Okay, so this is our answer. And here moving towards example number 22. Example number 22. That is, the question is 206.57 is to be subtracted by 89.132. 89.132. Okay, let us subtract this. 206.57 is to be subtracted 0.132. So here it is nothing, so I can write 0 over here. Now here it is 0 minus 2 cannot be possible, so here it will be 6, here it will be 10, so here it will be 10 minus 2, that is 8, 6 minus 3, that is 3, 5 minus 1, that is 4, decimal point. 6 minus 9 will not happen, 0 minus 8 will not happen, so here it will be 1, here it will be 9, and here it will be 16. So 9 2s are 18, but here it is 16, then it will be here 7, okay, 9 minus 8, that is 1, and here it is 1, okay, so that is 117.438, okay. Please note down this, and we will just directly move towards exercise 7D. Exercise 7D, question number 1. So question number 1 is and the following that you can do easily. So from that I am just doing two sums or one sums over in this video, and next video I will do more sums in that. So exercise 7D, question number 1, that is add the following. From that I will do, that is I, that is 3.2 plus 354.173. okay, I am just doing in this video only one, and else you first of all try at your home, and in next video from question number 1 I will do more sums. So 3.2 plus, here it will be the unit place 453.173. so here it is 0 0, yes I can add that. So 0 plus 3 3, 0 plus 7 7, 2 plus 1 3. Here don't forget to put a decimal point. 3 plus 4 7, 5 as it is, 3 as it is, okay. So our answer is 357.373 is our answer. In that way you have to do question number 1, and in your today's homework is example number 16 to 22, and from exercise 7D question 1, okay. That is your homework, and we will meet in the next video. Bye students.